because this is getting interesting. Let's look at within the Congress party who's how popular as the chief ministerial face. Bhupinder Singh Hooda, 41%, old war horse of the Congress party. Everybody knows he's the boss. Randeep Surjewala at half of that number, 20%. Kumari Selja, 19%. Dipender Hooda, 15%. But between the two Hoodas, it's 56%. Don't know, can't say 5%. So, hands down, Bhupinder Singh Hooda is the man leading the popularity stakes within the Congress party. Why are they still not announcing him? Well, we'll wait and watch. Let's take a look at this question. Will the Jat versus non-Jat issue have an electoral impact? Yes, 41%, no 37%, can't say 22%. आपका यहाँ पर आने वाला है एग्जाम आपसे सोम साहब पूछूंगी लेकिन नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन द आम आदमी पार्टी will it have an impact in the Haryana polls? BJP will benefit 45%, no impact on Congress 34%, can't say 21%. But the fact that if they go together will be a big one to watch out for because alliance तो है लेकिन this morning Delhi Congress has taken away an MLA of the Aam Aadmi Party. तो ये alliance में कितनी competition internally है? We'll have to wait and watch for that. And let me now project the numbers coming up on your screen. Predictions as of now. This is pre-Vinesh Fogart, pre-momentum, and let's look at the numbers. In Haryana, it is the Congress that has an edge, 36 to 41 seats in a 90-seat assembly, 33 to 38 to the BJP plus alliance partners, JJP anywhere between 2 and 5, others between 6 and 11. It's a hung house with advantage to the Congress party, and here comes in my friend Prateek Som. I want to ask you, Prateek Som, बिजनेस शुरू लाइनें चल रही हैं टेलीफोन की फ्रीक्वेंसी मैच हो गई है
See, there is nothing sort of this happening. We are contesting this elections independently like the way we did in 2019. But coming to the survey and telling you about both of the national parties who are trying to gain ground in Haryana, see, BJP is clearly doing a snow job. They are deviant and far from ground. They have given the most unpopular CM for almost 9.5 years, and of course the consequences will follow. They also know it. Yesterday only their Pradesh Adhyaksh of OBC Morcha has said that CM Nayab Singh Saini is a dummy CM. जब उनकी कोई पूछ ही नहीं है तो वो किस लिए कॉल कर रहे हैं? This kind of revolt is happening, and they know that how the tickets are being distributed, and it's a talk of town, it's talk of whole state that what kind of protest is brewing in Haryana in terms of BJP. Now coming to Congress, see, they are still, they are avoiding the Dalit and women representation in our state. Let me tell you, Navika, Haryana has almost 20% Dalit population, but still they are shying away from bringing Kumari Selja to the main ground when especially she has won with almost 3.5 lakh margin in the recent Lok Sabha election, because they know that what will happen if they don't promote their son and Damad. Damad's story everybody knows. In Haryana it is famous. Congress is known because they own the farmer's soil. They are also harvesting even on it because of the rule, because of the CLU industry which they created during Bhupinder Hooda's rule. Everybody knows that. हर बच्चे को ये कहानी के बारे में पता है. So far as we are concerned, we are holding our ground. We
हो किस तरह? BJP
we are
की तरफ
nowhere.
कांग्रेस.
No.
You have to choose.
No.
You have to choose, भैया.
No.
Let's cut through the chase.
No.
जाना कहाँ है?
No, the media will not.
रास्ता इस तरफ है और रास्ता इस तरफ है. दोनों में से एक चूज करना पड़ेगा. Are you going left or right?
Media will not dictate us where we'll go.
I'm not dictating. I'm asking you a question.
Navika, we are holding our ground.
I would be dictating if I'm telling you which way to go.
See,
I'm asking you, आप कहाँ जाएंगे?
See, the people of Haryana will again show the faith in us, and especially Chandrasekhar Azad, who has joined hands with us. We are very confident that in Haryana we will come in power with majority, and the national parties will have to see where they'll come. I know
Super.
Sanjay Jha is laughing, and you will not believe it, but I can
Sanjay
show
Jha,
you.
हंसो
I
मत.
can show you. I can
हंसो
show you.
मत.
I can show
If you fall short
the
of a few numbers, दिल वाले यही वाली
See,
दुल्हनियां ले जाएंगे.
The 2019
दिल वालों को यही दुल्हनियां ले जानी पड़ेगी.
Narika, 2019 election survey, you gave us 1 seat. Anil Jain, Prabhari of Haryana BJP at that time said they are nobody but a bunch of boys. We got 17.5% votes in Haryana. Again, the history will get repeated, and we are of course we are gaining ground. And Dushyant Chautala ji has openly said that it is the biggest mistake which he committed by going with BJP. We are not shying away from accepting our mistake.
आनंद रंगनाथन, ये हसीन गलती फिर से दोहराई जाएगी?
नाविका जी नमस्कार, और मेरे फेलो पैनलिस्ट को भी। पहले तो मैं आपको थोड़ा सा कह दूं, आप थोड़ी गलत है। मैंने वैक्सीन बनाई है, एंटी हिपोक्रेसी वैक्सीन। लेकिन कैंडिडेट्स ढूंढ रहा हूं, किसको लगाऊं। 3 कैंडिडेट्स हैं मेरे साथ, अब वो एक एक करके आता हूं। एक कांग्रेस को लगानी पड़ेगी, जो कांग्रेस कहती है जितनी आबादी उतना हक। सबसे कम हक इन्होंने दिया है अपने जो दलित हैं कांग्रेस के ही अंदर, और जो दलित हैं और जो ओबीसीज हैं वो कांग्रेस की फाउंडेशंस पे, इंक्लूडिंग राजीव गांधी फाउंडेशन पे। कहते हैं कास्ट सर्वे करो, कास्ट सर्वे करो। 2 कास्ट सर्वे करे इन्होंने, सेंटर पे भी और स्टेट लेवल पे भी। आज तक उसके रिजल्ट डिक्लेयर नहीं किए। दूसरा, क्या मैं जेजीपी अपने प्रिय कोलीग जो स्टूडियो में बैठे हुए हैं उनको लगाऊं एंटी हिपोक्रेसी वैक्सीन, जो कि पहले कह रहे थे कि हम किसी भी पार्टी के साथ अलाइन नहीं करेंगे, लेकिन फैक्ट है कि ये किंग मेकर हैं हरियाणा के। ये अलाइन करेंगे, या कांग्रेस के साथ करेंगे या बीजेपी के साथ करेंगे। तो अभी इनका कहना कि सबसे बड़ी गलती बीजेपी थी, हो सकता है ये बीजेपी के साथ अलाइन करके दोबारा सरकार बनाए। नंबर 3, अब समझ में नहीं आ रहा है कि मैं बीजेपी को लगाऊं एंटी हिपोक्रेसी वैक्सीन, मतलब ये ऊपर करके या पता नहीं कहीं पे और, क्योंकि इन्होंने कहा कि स्वामीनाथन कमीशन की रिपोर्ट जो है, जो एमएसपी, और अगर हम सब क्रॉप्स पे एमएसपी देना शुरू कर दें तो देश का दिवाला निकल जाएगा। लेकिन हरियाणा में अभी इन्होंने सारी क्रॉप्स जो हरियाणा में उगती उस पे एमएसपी डिक्लेयर कर दिया। अब मैं इनसे पूछना चाहता हूं, ये हिपोक्रेसी नहीं है? देश में कह रहे हैं कि हम एमएसपी सब क्रॉप्स पे लागू नहीं करेंगे, 16 लाख करोड़ का आएगा बिल आएगा, लेकिन हरियाणा में आपने सब क्रॉप्स पे एमएसपी कर दिया। तो ये हर जगह हिपोक्रेसी की गंगा बह रही है। सिर्फ आप हैं जो कि हिपोक्रेट नहीं है। इसलिए मैं आपको वैक्सीन नहीं लगाऊंगा।
आपको मतलब मुझे कि आम आदमी पार्टी? आपका मतलब बहुत है, बहुत है आपके मतलब, इसलिए मैं घबरा रही हूं इस वक्त कि आपका आपसे क्या मतलब है। लेकिन सुधांशु त्रिवेदी फर्स्ट, एंड आई एम गेटिंग यू रवि श्रीवास्तव।
मैं इनकी वैक्सीन के बारे में बोलना चाहता हूं। आनंद रंगनाथन जी, on the issue of MSP given by our government to Haryana, you are a scientist, so you should understand कि हरियाणा और पंजाब में सिर्फ गेहूं और चावल यही 2 चीजें उगाते थे, क्योंकि इस पे एमएसपी मिलता था। सो द एंटायर फार्मर वाज ओनली डूइंग मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम दिस गेहूं एंड चावल, which is not good for the country also, not good for the soil also, and which is also dividing the country of the diversity. So we have taken this step so that the farmer should be motivated to get the other crops also. And that will be better for the soil also, that will be better for the market also, so that
But
they
why
should
will
be
it not be
dissuaded
better for the entire
just a
country?
bigger
Why
use
only for a
of
small
going
state
with
Haryana?
wheat
वो
and
भी
rice,
तो
wheat
बता
and rice.
दीजिए।
हाँ, यस, बिकॉज अब उसका भी रीजन बता रहा हूं। बिकॉज यू नो सर, बिकॉज 80% ऑफ द सब्सिडी गोज टू हरियाणा एंड पंजाब ओनली. And this was the issue during the farmers movement, everybody was saying, because most of the other states were having no impact, because these 2 states contribute to the almost 80% of subsidy on wheat and rice. So it is to be focused. In Haryana we are having government, so we're trying to divert. If you would have been in the Punjab, you'd have thought according to whatever the situation is there in Punjab.
Okay, well said. But let me ask